I, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, do solemnly swear
that you will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
and will, to the best of your ability,
to the best of my ability,
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
So help you God.
So help me God.
Aku tuh katanya.
Nah, territorial make up.
Pijet.
Vice President Johnson, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chief Justice,
Nggak ada sih.
President
Yang bayar
Eisenhower,
anu dulu, yang DPI dulu, yang
Vice
bayar.
President Nixon, President Truman, Reverend clergy, fellow citizens.
Asik.
We observe today not a victory of party, but a celebration of freedom, symbolizing an end as well as a beginning, signifying renewal as well as change. For I have sworn before you and Almighty God the same solemn oath our forebears prescribed nearly a century and 3/4 ago. The world is very different now, for man holds in his mortal hand the power to abolish
Iya.
all forms of human poverty,
Cocok tuh,
all
cocok.
forms of human life. And yet the same revolutionary beliefs
Ibu ke depan.
for which our forebears fought are still at issue around the globe. The belief that the rights of man come not from the generosity of the state, but from the hand of God. We dare not forget today that we are the heirs of that first revolution. Let the word go forth from this time and place to friend and foe alike that the torch has been passed to a new generation of Americans
Kak Usma.
born in this century, tempered by war, disciplined by a hard and bitter peace, proud of our ancient heritage, and unwilling to witness
Masih YouTube
or
tutorial.
permit the slow undoing of those human rights
Dandan.
to which this nation has always been committed and to which we are committed today at home and around the world.
Iya buatin itu pakai ini aja Bu. Jadi juga pakai perawatan dari dokter Bu, karena dia juga bosan karena emang.
Let every nation know, whether it wishes us well or ill, that we shall pay any price, bear any burden, meet any hardship, support any friend, oppose any foe, to assure the survival and the success of liberty.
Satu paket.
Jangan langsung dikasih air Bun.
Kecil dulu.
Besok pakai kopi, air
This much we pledge and more.
dibuang baru dikasih air.
To those old allies, cultural and spiritual origin we share, we pledge the loyalty of faithful friends. United, there is little we cannot do in a host of cooperative ventures. Divided, there is little we can do. For we dare
Woi,
not meet
langsung
a
berubah Kak Usma.
powerful challenge
Tambah tergila-gila lah Bang John nih.
to those new states whom we welcome
Iya.
to the ranks of the free. We pledge our word
Ya, satu paket Kak Usma beli dulu Kak
that
Usma.
one form of colonial control shall
Iya.
not have passed away,
Bawa habis.
merely to be replaced by
Kematian lah.
a far more iron tyranny. We shall not always expect to find them supporting our view, but we shall always hope to find them strongly supporting supporting their own freedom, and to remember that in the past, those who foolishly sought power by riding the back of the tiger ended up inside.
Lagi demo.
Tadi tuh ada penampilan nek. Tadi tuh budak kecil itu.
Iya, lagi demo mendadani.
Break the bond
Pakai special
we
cream.
pledge our best efforts to help them help themselves for whatever period is required, not because the communists may be doing it, not because we seek their vote.
Ayo kau semua, sahnia lah. Tergila-gila Bang John kau semua. Tak bisa dela lagi ya.
Oh dia video rupanya.
Tak bisa dela kan lagi kau semua. Oh, langsung berubah 100%. 100%.
To our
Dia
sister
tak mau
republic,
hilang udah.
south of our border, we offer a special pledge to convert our good words
Jangan ditambah bedak.
into good deeds.
Dilap aja pakai.
In a new alliance for progress, to assist free men and free government
Oh, berarti tinggal mengatakan dia.
casting off the chains of poverty. But this peaceful revolution of hope cannot become the prey of hostile powers. Let all our neighbors know that
Ini
we shall join
produknya.
with them to oppose aggression or subversion anywhere in the Americas.
Natural.
And
Bisa
let every
membuat
other
jadi
power
natural.
know that this
Untuk
hemisphere
pembersih
intends to
sabun
remain
sirihnya.
the master of its own house.
Asik. Yang satu lagi apa itu? Ini kolagennya.
To that world assembly of sovereign states,
Ini bedaknya. Satu paketnya 600.000 aja.
best hope, in an age where the instruments of war have far outpaced the instruments
Bisa 3 kali bayar. Ayo
we renew
ayo.
our pledge of support to prevent it from becoming
Bu, kalau
merely a
ibu
forum
mau
for
pergi
invective,
pesta ini kita kalau
to
ke kantor kan
strengthen its
segini.
shield of the new and the
Asik.
weak,
Nanti kalau kamu mau ke pesta,
and to enlarge the area in which its writ may run.
Untuk ini kita tersimpan.
Finally, to those nations who would make themselves our adversaries, we offer not a pledge, but a request
di tangan aja.
that both sides
Enggak bentuk.
begin anew the quest for peace.
Buka ya. Itu kan cuma
Before the dark powers of destruction, unleashed by science, engulf all humanity in planned or accidental self-destruction. We dare not tempt them with weakness, for only when our arms
butikan tangan tuh.
are sufficient beyond doubt can we be certain beyond doubt that they will never be employed.
kalau ibu mah kulitnya bu.
But neither can two great and powerful groups of nations
Beneran
take comfort from our present
Jadi
course.
kan?
Both
600.000
sides
aja, Pak.
overburdened by the cost of modern weapons, both rightly alarmed by the steady spread of the deadly atom, yet both racing to alter that uncertain balance of terror that stays the hand of mankind's final war. So let us begin anew, remembering on both sides that civility is not a sign of weakness, and sincerity is always subject to proof.
Hematnya itu Bu.
Let us never negotiate out of fear, but let us never fear to negotiate.
Bisa jalan kulitnya. Nanti mau kasih
Pak gadis kau beli sama ginsa.
Let both sides explore what
Tak
problems
kenal lagi
unite
ada
us,
suami.
kalau yang sudah
instead of belaboring those problems which divide us. Let both sides, for the first time, formulate serious and precise proposals for the inspection and control of arms, and bring the absolute power to destroy other nations under the absolute control of all nations.
Seandainya nih, ya Bu,
Let both sides seek to invoke
tahun kemudian
the wonders of science
aku bela aku
instead of its terrors.
dua. Barang
Together, let us explore the stars, conquer the desert, eradicate disease,
Woi, mantap tuh Kasma.
tap
Kasma
the
mantap.
ocean depth, and encourage the arts and commerce. Let both sides unite to heed in all corners of the earth the command of Isaiah